Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to take new lesson of Unit 2. Does it look the same? Children, in this lesson you will know about symmetrical figure and asymmetrical figure, line of symmetry, mirror image, and rotation, 1/4 rotation and half rotation. Okay, so let us start. Children, here on this page you can see this girl has made two patterns, pattern A and pattern B. Here you can see in between a dotted line is there. Here you can see a dotted line is there. If you see this right side and this left side, what do you find? You find that both sides are identical. Okay, if you fold this paper from the middle, then this side will overlap this left side. Similarly, this side will overlap this side, and this dotted line from where you have folded the paper, this dotted line is known as line of symmetry, and this type of figure is known as symmetrical figure. Children, you can make such type of figure by your own. For that, you have to take a sheet of paper, then fold it into half, and then you have to open the paper and put a drop of color on the middle folded line. Okay, then after you have to fold that paper and spread the color. Then you will get a beautiful design like this. Okay, and that type of design will be symmetrical design because both sides are equal in shape and size. Okay, now let us see this example. Here is a rectangle, and on the side of a rectangle there is across the rectangle place a mirror. Okay, here you can see if the mirror is placed like this, you will get image of this side to this side. Okay, so this side is a reflection of this side. Okay, and this type of images formed are known as mirror image. And where you place the mirror, that imaginary line is known as line of symmetry. Okay, so children, when the shapes are divided into two equal parts, such shapes or figures are called as symmetrical figure, and the one side resemble to the other side. Okay, now here you can see one more example. Here is half of the leaf, you can see in this picture, and across this leaf a mirror is placed. So what you will get? You will get reflection of this leaf here on the left side. So where you have placed the mirror, that line is known as line of symmetry, and this is reflection, or you can say this is a mirror image. And mirror image are symmetrical image. Okay, children, here this is a half figure. You can make it complete by placing the mirror. So you will get the image of this right side, and your picture will look like this. So this picture is known as symmetrical figure. Okay, now children, Here in this, if you draw line like this, can you tell me both sides are equal? No. So this figure will now is known as asymmetrical figure. But when you draw line like this, then now this figure is symmetrical figure. Okay. Similarly, we draw symmetrical line to divide this figure in two equal parts, and here we can draw many line of symmetry to draw this figure. You just see. Yes. Now here, if you draw line like this, both sides are identical? No. So now this is asymmetrical figure. But if you draw line like this, then this is symmetrical figure. Similarly, if you will draw line this is symmetrical figure, because this right side overlap this sides completely and both sides are equal in size and shape. Okay, so this type of figure is known as symmetrical figure. Children, so what is symmetry? When a shape or figure is divided in two parts of equal shape and size, we say that the shape or figure is symmetrical figure. Here, if you draw a line like this, horizontal line if you draw, then the figure will not be considered as symmetrical figure. But when you draw vertical line, then the image becomes symmetrical, and here only one line of symmetry. In this diagram, you can draw two line of symmetry, one vertical and one horizontal. And here in this image, you can draw many line of symmetry. Okay? And children, here, if you draw line of symmetry, this figure is not identical, because here you can see dot and here is no dot. So this is asymmetrical figure. Children, hope you all have understood what is symmetrical figure and what is asymmetrical figure. When the shapes are divided into two or more equal parts, such shapes are known as symmetrical figure. The one that do not resemble each other when divided in two parts are called asymmetrical figure. Okay.